Hey guys, welcome back. Mederos here with another video. Today I was going through my notes and I want to talk about values. So, values are the way we see the world. Artists use values to translate light and shadow into shading. It gives the illusion of third dimension. So, what is value? Value is a degree of lightness and darkness in a given color. It can be red, it can be blue, it can be yellow, any color, it can be black. In drawing terms, we think of values as shades of gray between black and white. Today, I want to work on the value scale. The value scale, it enables the artist to make better comparisons and suggest the relationships of values observed in nature. It means that it's easier to see local values when the light is diffuse. I'm going to give you 4 terms that are going to be key for our value scale. Today we're going to do a very simple value scale, okay? Hue. Hue is the true color. Value is how light or dark that color is. Tint is a color plus white. You add that color white. Shade, you add to your color black. Or when in painting, I personally don't like to use black to shading. I prefer to use a blue or a burnt umber, those types of colors. It allows me to have like a better shading. So because black can be really hard to work on shading sometimes. So there you have it. So I made this color value scale. You have here the white, okay, color and the black. The true color is gonna be here in the middle, and you have the tints and the shades. Remember, the tint is the color plus white and the shade is the color plus black. Okay, for today I'm gonna use a pencil, any pencil. Let me check here. What pencil can I find? I have this. Let's see. This can work. Yes. We have this. Let's use the medium. This is the Tint charcoal. Okay, I'm gonna use this today to show you. So let's go to the deep. I hope you can see this properly. Let me add more light to the paper. Okay, so you have to hold the pencil like this, okay, very lightly, and we're gonna use the size of our pencil for this value scale, okay? So we have here on the left side the color white. You're gonna leave it like that. Then you're gonna grab the pencil at almost the middle of the pencil, the middle end. So you just press lightly against the paper and start coloring like this. Just let gravity to do its work, okay? Don't press too hard, just enjoy the process. This is a really rich black, so that's why it's looking like that. So for a true hue, we're gonna go closer, a little closer to the tip, and we're gonna press a little more, just a little. so we can start seeing the gradient in our value scale. I love charcoal pencils, and these are really good. You see? A hint of color. Then we go to the next space. We try to make it look as this one, so we can start to press a little harder and make it darker. You see? You start seeing the difference between each gradient. So for the black side, this is the last one, we're gonna press harder the charcoal pencil to have as result a rich black. And as you can see, you have a very simple value scale. Okay, so remember, it is from light to dark, and it allows you to have some shading in your drawings, in your paintings. Okay, so guys, let me zoom out, and hey, I'm back. I really love to share my notes with you. I'm gonna share a little more in another video. So we're gonna still working on values, but using a pen. Okay, so you see here, I have a little shadow on this side of my face, and the light comes. So if I was a painting, you can see the values, okay, the gradient of my face. There you have it. Until next video, bye.